Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and let's talk about the hierarchy. So, what is the hierarchy exactly? Well, it's a vital piece of Unity, and essentially, it is a way for us to see whatever is in this scene right here in a text format. And we're able to use that hierarchy to manipulate, control, select, and change objects real time within our scene or even our game view. However, when we're in our game view, they revert back to normal status when you come back to scene view. So let's take a look at what we've got here. Now, every object here has its own individual name. Some can actually be duplicated. For example, we now have two objects called cube. That's probably not good practice. So it is always wise to have things named, at least uniquely. So to change something in hierarchy, we could literally right click and we could change its name just by clicking rename, or we could duplicate like so, and then that reacts and it's visible in the scene view. So something else to note within the hierarchy is something called parent and child, and what that is a way of displaying which objects are coupled together, and that's dictated by an arrow. So if we wanted to attach all these blocks together, we could take all these extra cubes that we've created by holding control and clicking on them in the hierarchy, and then we can drag and drop them into this object in the hierarchy, and you can see it selected by the light blue. And now we have that arrow. That arrow means that all those objects are now a child object of this cube, so they all fit together nicely and they can be moved all together just by having this one object in the hierarchy selected. So there's a way of also creating objects within the hierarchy, clicking right here, and you can create absolutely anything you want that you normally would see. So you've got a cylinder, real easy. And again, right click and you can still create. So like I say, the main purpose of the hierarchy is to see visually or textually, if that's a word, what is in the scene. And it helps a lot, especially when you're dragging and dropping. You know you need to drag, for example, a texture onto an object, but you can't quite see it in the scene. You can find it in the hierarchy and drag and drop straight there, no problem. And that is the beauty of how the hierarchy works. A lot of people get a little bit confused to how it is. In fact, some people probably don't use the hierarchy as much as they should, but it is a vital piece of Unity. So guys, I hope that's cleared up the hierarchy just a little bit. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon as well, and you can stay up to date with all the content I have on this channel, because guys, we're about 10 videos into this little series now, and we've already learned loads, but there's even more to learn. Take a look at the channel, and guys, thank you very much for watching.